Now it's time to build something real. Not just concepts, a real mini project. We're going to create a simple game. Guess the number. Let's build it step by step. First, we import random. Then, we generate a number between 1 and 10. Now, we ask the user for a guess. Now, here's the logic. If the guess is correct, we print correct. If not, we print try again. Simple, but powerful. Now, let's make it better. Instead of just one try, we use a loop, so the game continues until the user guesses the correct number. Now pause for a second. What do you think happens when the guess is finally correct? Exactly. The loop stops, and the player wins. This is your first real game in Python. You just used variables, loops, conditions. This is how real programs are built. In the next lesson, we'll learn lists in Python, everything you need.